Assalamualaikum. I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to my channel Multi Thinker MTC MTCAT by DMI. To join our test session, please contact us on 0304158596. Our Facebook page is MTCAT by DMI. Let's start our video Biology Prokaryotes Punjab and Sindh book MCQs. MCQ number 1 is germ theory of disease was formulated by A. Louis Pasteur, B. A. V. Leeuwenhoek, and C. Robert Koch, D. Edward Jenner. 2. A tetrate is a square of A. 2 cocci, B. 6 cocci, C. 4 cocci, and D. 8 cocci. Oval-shaped bacteria are called A. cocci, B. spinella, C. bacilli, and D. vibrio. 4. Bacteria with flagella are called A. peritrichus, B. lupohotrichus, C. monotrichus, and D. atrichus. 5. A bacteria with single pollard flagellum is called monotrichus, A. Option B. amphitrichus, and option C. lupotrichus, and option D is atrichus. 6. Pili are made of special protein called A. Pillin, B. tubulin, C. flagellin, and D. myosin. 7. Cell wall of archaeobacteria don't contribute A. peptidoglycan, B. chitin, C. cellulose, D. cutin. Which of the following is not found in all of the bacteria? A. Cell membrane, B. A. nucleolide, or nucleolide, and C. ribosome, and D. capsule. 9. Mesosomes are internal extensions of the dash. A. Cell wall, B. chromatin body, C. cell membrane, and D. capsule. Number 10 MCQs. Which of the following is a spiral shaped bacteria? A. vibrio, B. cocci, C. bacilli, and D. none. 11 MCQs. The smallest bacteria is A. mycoplasma, B. campylobacter, and C. E. coli, and D. clostridium. D. clostridium. MCQs number 12 is E. coli is a dash bacteria. A. gram negative, B. Bos, C. gram positive, and D. none. Curved of C. gram positive, and D. none. Curved of coma shaped bacteria are called A. vibrio, B. spirochetes, and D. spirillum, and D. bacilli. 14 MCQs. E. coli is an example of aerobic bacterium. A. Option B. anaerobic bacterium, and option C. facultative and aerobic bacteria, and D. none. 15. Rapid phase of growth in bacteria is called dash. A. lag, B. stationary, C. log, and D. death. 16. The bacteria that cause disease in human being are called A. photosynthetic bacteria, B. facultative bacteria, and C. cambronthetic bacteria, and D. pathogenic bacteria. 17. The agent responsible for rabies is rabid dogs, A, B, cat, C, fox, and D, all. 18. Bacteria increase in number by asexual means of reproduction called A. binary fission, B. budding, C. regeneration, and D. all of these. 19. In root nodules, bacteria convert nitrogen into A. ammonia, B. urea, C. nitrate, D. none. MCQs number 20. Photosynthetic prokaryotes lack ribosomes, B. chloroplast, C. cytoplasm, and D. None. 21 MCQs. Name the structure involved in DNA replication. A. Cysts, B. Mesosomes, C. Ribosomes, and D. Spores. 22 MCQs. Bacteria membrane differ from eukaryotes in lacking A. Cholesterol, B. Lipid, D. Teichoic acid, and D. Protein. 23 MCQs. Aerobic bacteria is A. Campylobacter, B. Pseudomonas, and C. E. coli. D. None. 24. Conjugation bacteria is promoted by A. pili, B. cilia, C. flagella, D. gametes. 25 MCQs, and the last one of biology. The bacterium with a tuft of flagella at one pole is Lupotrichos, Lupotrichus, and B. both C. Amphitrichus, and D. None. Here we starting the MCQs of English. MCQs number 1. Flowers dash dancing in the garden. Option A is Trichus and D. None. Here we starting the MCQs of English. MCQs number 1. Flowers dash dancing in the garden. Option A is, option B am, option C are, and option D none. MCQs number 2. Do you dash Arsalan? A likes, B likes, D both, and C none. Today weather dashed good. Am, is, or none. Choose any one of the option. MCQ number 4. You dash to work hard. Has, B have, C none, B both. MCQ number 5. I dash done my work. Had. Option number A. Option number B is. Option number C am, and option number D